All right, so we're all done with the installation. Right here we have the puck for the exit sensor. Right now the gate is closed. And you pass with the vehicle. And the gate starts opening. Right there's the puck. Right there's the car. Ahí está bien. The gate opens for about 30 seconds. Ahí está. 30 seconds. Then we have of course the transmitter for the actual exit sensor is inside the operator. Then over here we have the keypad post and the keypad. So right now, as soon as the gate closes, you can see the gate closes. The code we installed is right there. The gate is closed fully. 2580. It opens it. You have about 15 seconds before the actual keypad times out. 15-20 seconds. And in that time, you could press any button and it'll still send a code or an actual signal for the gate to, you know, listen to your command. You could press any button within that time, and then as soon as it locks out, you'll hear 3 beeps, and that means you have to input the code again. And we're good to go.